Welcome to the ranch. It's a balmy, cool 61 windy day here. We got the new media mod on the GoPro. We're gonna try it out today. We're gonna see if it stops the wind noise anyway. Mother's Day weekend. So what do rednecks do on Mother's Day weekend? They go fishing. So me and City Boy Corey were talking this morning while we were out shopping for Mother's Day, and we decided we wanted to go fishing. So I think we'll get the boat out. This is a 1980 Formula F20. Isn't she beautiful? Got good tires on it. Trees like it a lot. And I think it's in pretty good shape. So, what do you say we hook the tractor up? We'll get her pulled out of the weeds and we'll get it cleaned out. Welcome back. Got the Redneck yacht lined up out here. So, Cloud City Boy, he's making ribs. He don't want to show up. And Wild Man Fred, well, he's got a job. So he'll be here when he gets done. So, I guess what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and clean this thing out. Get it ready to float on Sunday. Oh, by the way, if you like the shades, these are pit vipers. If you want to be a true redneck, you need the pit vipers. You can't live without the pit vipers. Pit vipers are the most awesome sunglasses on the planet. Got to have a pair. We're not sponsored. I don't have a discount code, but if you go to Cole the Corn Star, he's got a discount code. So, anyway, it's going to take a while to get all this garbage out of here. I'll probably put you on the Go Fast thing. Something like that. Look who showed up. Wild Man Fred. He's off work. We're gonna clean the boat out now. We had to stop me dinner, right?
Always.
Always.
It's an important meal of the day.
We're gonna drink that Coors Light. Don't dribble it on me. Don't waste the beer. We're gonna put you on the Go Fast mode. We're gonna clean the boat out. We'll see y'all in a few. Ready? Does it work? Does it work? Does it work? Yeehaw! All right, Wild Man Fred is gonna try one now. Okay.
That's just wrong 9 different ways.
We're gonna speed you up now.
your screwing stick.
My screwing stick.
Yeah, give me your screwing stick. Or the die grinder, one of the two. Hey, how come
The other one worked just fine. You really think you used 2 different screws?
Pretty sure of it. I've met your friends.
Have you? He finds $100 bills under couch urge.
Walk through probably helps if it wasn't stripped. And no, do you see what I have to put up with every day? Do you understand this yet?
Yeah.
Oh man.
He cries a lot, but don't worry. Ooh, I got fire extinguisher dust on there. Hey, where's your buddy at?
Which buddy?
The city boy.
City boy? He's at home waiting on his wife to cook him some food, I guess. Now I gotta get all wet and crawl underneath here. Take my brocolies off because I forgot my pit vipers. Hey, I got it. Oh, now get out of my way. You're on the wrong side of the boat now.
Oh, I got a hack notification on my phone. I've been hacked. Sorry if you got a bad video from me. I didn't send it. Well, I didn't get a bad video, and if I would have, I would have probably enjoyed it.
Good.
Dude, you're messing up the... Oh, Lord.
That's where it belongs.
That's your brother.
Speak.
That's your brother. Bark.
Speak. Speak.
Bark.
Speak, homie.
You gotta tell him to bark.
Come here. Sit. Give me your... Really? Give me your stick. Sit. Speak. Good boy. You want your stick? Go. Thing weighs 20 pounds. All right, now move over so I can get that screw.
Woohoo!
Hey, your buddy stripped that and out.
We get a hammer.
You should get a hammer. Ugh. I didn't see you work all day today.
I worked real hard all day today.
Drinking beer and sitting around?
No, I didn't start drinking beer till 5 o'clock. There's a rule.
Well, them rules are stupid.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I guess I'm gonna go get me a hammer. If I don't fall off the back of this thing again.
Well, you already broke the $100 piece of teak off there.
Look, all right.
It went down in value 50 cents.
It wasn't fat kid rated, all right?
Yeah, evidently all the Benjamins wore out when it left the Rooter Ranch.
That'd be an understatement, old son.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't no redneck. What happens when you put beer in a deep freeze? It gets a little hard.
Thank
The
you.
mountains are blue. Hey,
Gotta have Blue Mountains. Redneck Ranch.
I got
Sponsored
you a
by
hammer.
Gently.
My middle name is Gentle.
No, it's not. I don't think that's working. Hey, you're spilling my
What?
beer.
Well, sorry, I was trying to get things done around here, Dad. Gah. That's a victory at the Redneck Ranch.
You want to hold it?
Oh, I'll hold it. I'll hold it so you can finally do something around here. I've been waiting.
Nothing around here.
I've been waiting all year for this,
That's
folks.
right. Oh,
All year.
I gotta say that these are like 30 cents a piece. Selfies.
I don't know how to take a selfie on this thing. It's all right.
Look at all the money